Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to use an Osso wine opener. So if you've been around wine for any period of time, you've probably seen this weird little tool and maybe not known what to do with it. The Osso is a way to open a bottle of wine, usually older vintage wines. Usually something 10 years or more is going to be a good candidate for using the Osso. Reason being, our classic Waiter's wine key here with the auger on it, when you drive this through an older bottle of wine through the cork, you risk pulling out the center of the cork. Cork's a delicate piece of material. It's a natural product and it's exposed to a lot of stresses. On a daily basis, it lives with one side holding the wine back and the other side exposed to the ambient temperature of your household. So, in a situation like this, the Osso is key. What you need if you're going to use an Osso is a foil opener, because unlike our wine key, there's no knife on it. So you're going to take your foil opener, put it over the bottle of wine, just back and forth gently, and you pull the little coin off the top of it. With the Osso, you have two prongs on it here. You have a longer prong and a shorter prong here. Now, we're going to take the longer prong and put right between the cork and the bottle. Gently push it in there, bringing the shorter side down to the top of the bottle then. Then we're going to stick our thumb in and we're going to put the shorter side in. And then we're going to do a series of back and forth motions like this. So you want to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until you push the Osso down into the neck of the bottle, where it's basically hugging the cork at this point. So you bring it all the way down like this, and now you're going to twist and pull as the cork gently comes up out of the top. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to use an Osso.